Hello students, we have already discussed the first part, which is latitude. Today we will discuss the second part, longitudes. The longitudes are also known as meridians. These are imaginary lines that run from North Pole to South Pole. They too are numbered like latitudes. According to an international agreement, the latitude passing through the Royal Observatory at Greenwich in England, United Kingdom, that place is accepted as 0 degree longitude, which is called as prime meridian. The prime meridian is the starting point for measuring longitude, like the equator is the starting point for measuring latitudes. Other longitudes are also drawn to east and west of the prime meridian. Now look at the diagram. Here the prime meridian is the middle line of longitudes, which is 0 degree longitude. The meridian of longitude to the east side of the prime meridian are numbered as 1 degree east, 2 degree east, 3 degree east up to 180 degree east. Similarly, the meridians of longitude to the west side of the prime meridian are numbered as 1 degree west, 2 degree west up to 180 degree west. The prime meridian also divides the earth into two equal halves. The area between 0 degree longitude to 180 degree east is called as eastern hemisphere, where the area between 0 degree longitude to 180 degree west is called as western hemisphere. However, 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same longitude and is known as 180 degree or international date line. The distance between two longitude is maximum at the middle part, which is at equator. The distance decreases when we move towards the pole where longitudes meet. Now comes to the third one, which is grid. We have already discussed what is longitude, what is latitude. Now the grid. The longitude and latitudes, when crisscross each other to form a network of lines known as grid. The point in the grid where the longitude and latitude are intersect each other is known as coordinate. The coordinate is the point where the longitude and latitude are intersecting with each other. By the help of coordinates, we can find any place or point on earth. Now let us understand briefly what is grid, what is the use of longitude and latitude, how we find a place or point on earth by the using of map. Look at the map. Here the columns are labeled on the top with the letter A, B, C, D, and the rows are labeled with the numbers like 1, 2, 3 and 4. First we will find Ravi's house in the grid. Ravi's house is present from the column side in column A and from the row side in row 4. Thus, the name of the grid box by square of Ravi's house is A4, column then row. Similarly, the playground is located at in column D and row 1. So the name of grid is D1. as like Ravi's school is present at D2. Now comes to the exercise part. The first question is match the following. Equator. Equator will match with a latitude which lies in the middle of the earth at an equal distance from the North Pole and the South Pole. Prime meridian. Prime meridian will match with a longitude that passes through Greenwich, London, Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree north latitude. Western hemisphere. Western hemisphere is area between 0 degree and 180 degree west. Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer will match with 23.5 degree north latitude. Now the second question. Rearrange the jumbled word. The first word is latitude. The second one, if we rearrange that one, is longitude. Number 3, equator. Number 4, meridian. Number 5, grid. Now comes to the third question. Answer the following questions. The first question is, how can we locate a place on the earth? The answer is, we can locate a place on the earth by the help of coordinates. Now comes to the second question. Mention one similarity and one difference between a latitude and a longitude. Similarity is, both the lines are divide the earth into two equal parts. Then difference. Latitude run in eastward direction while longitudes run from North Pole to South Pole. Now the third question is, name the 4 hemispheres into which the earth can be divided. The 4 hemispheres are Eastern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere, Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. Now comes to the fourth question. What is the international dateline? 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same longitude, which is called as 180 degree or international dateline. Now comes to the fifth question. What is a grid? Answer is, latitude and longitudes crisscross with each other to form a network of lines which are called as grid.